Hey y'all, HERO6 here. Now this is another test with the GoPro HERO6 Black. This is in 4K 60 frames per second. I don't have any sort of external microphone. This is the internal audio from the GoPro HERO6 Black, and it's right above flowing water that's making quite a bit of noise. So it'll be interesting to see how well or how poorly this performs. You know, I'm all about some out of the box testing when it comes to cameras. So I'm going to do some walking through this stream bed here. Well, being snake aware, I think there was a snake up there because I saw something move. So yeah, now I'm going to step out of the frame so you can get a feel for how the camera performs. You know, if one was just using it as a sitting on the ground, or in this case it is on the ground, but if you attach it to a tripod, a GoPro doesn't necessarily have to be just an action camera where it's in motion. I mean, it can be stationary and capture video. So tell me what you think about the quality. Again, this is 4K 60 frames per second with GoPro HERO6 Black, and you can check the link within this video's description to find where to order the GoPro HERO6 Black and various accessories online. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, HERO6 here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.